Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. So today I am going to go over how to get over thick seams like this one here. It's super thin on this part here where I'm going to start top stitching, and then I have to go through this really thick part here. So I'm going to show you how I do that without getting skip stitches and without a hump jumper. I haven't gotten around to ordering one yet. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So basically what I have here is just a piece of scrap fabric that I use to like mess with my tension and stuff like that, but I just kind of keep this handy, and I kind of use this as a makeshift hump jumper. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna set my stitch length to a 3.5 for top stitching, and I'm gonna go ahead and just start off back stitch at the start, and when I start getting close to this thick part right here, I'm gonna lift up my presser foot and then stick this underneath the back of it so it's butting up to the needle. So now everything, the presser foot is flush with the thicker part right here. So I'm just gonna keep going over nice and slow. And when I start getting towards the end of it, this part can be a little tricky because sometimes I start sewing into this and that's no good. But we're gonna kind of bring it up in front of your needle, and I'm just gonna kind of keep going slowly and moving this piece here. I'm going to keep moving it along with the needle so that it stays far enough away from the needle that I'm not stitching through it, but keep it under your presser foot so that it is keeping the presser foot nice and flat right there. So we're just going to keep going another couple of stitches, and maybe one more. And now my presser foot is nice and flat on the bottom here. And now I can just keep on going. And then I'm gonna do the same thing when I get to this side here. Stick it underneath here. Keep on going nice and slow because that is very thick. And then take it off and bring it back over to this side. There we go. And now we have nice even stitches, even over that thick part there. Nice clean top stitching. All right, so just a quick video today, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you want more tips and tricks like that, like and subscribe and comment down below what other kind of stuff you'd like to see. All right, thanks, bye.